already, and I don't know if they're gonna be expired. What the heck?
Why are they honking?
Who was that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa for those that don't know who I am. And before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. So guys, I know I said that I wasn't gonna do more pranks, but today I have to do this prank on my sister Erica. So I'm going to be doing the honk prank. So basically right now we're about to go to the store because my mom, she knows that I'm about to do a prank on her. Ay voy. Okay, sí, ya voy. My mom is telling me to hurry up because it's gonna rain. Okay, so I told her that I'm doing a vlog, like just vlogging my day, but what I'm really doing is I'm pranking her. I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip. I taped the poster where it says pranking my sister, please honk, and I already taped it to the car. So guys, this is how the poster that I'm gonna tape in the back of the car looks like. It says pranking my sister, please honk, and then on the bottom I said to get her mad. So hopefully this works. I'm really nervous. So guys, I already taped the poster to the car. This is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna go inside because she's gonna know that I'm outside doing this. Okay, bye. Hopefully she didn't see me through that window. Oh my god. I get so nervous when I do pranks. Like, oh my god. Hopefully she didn't notice that I was gone. She's doing her makeup, so I'm gonna go back in. See you guys in a little bit. So right now we're about to head out, and I hope this prank goes well. Pray for me, you guys. Pray for me because I feel like she's gonna kill me when she finds out. So anyways, let's go guys. Okay guys, so we're heading out now. We're going
so good.
Thanks. We're going to the store, and I'm just gonna vlog my day. So hopefully, how am I supposed to get out?
What do you mean? Get in?
I mean get in, yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so right now we're going to the store to buy some tortillas, and yeah, I'm just gonna I just wanna vlog my day. And do you guys like my long hair?
Why, you wanna cut it?
I don't know, a veces siento que I wanna cut it y a veces I'm like, oh, I like it, but cuando está así el laciado, I like it, pero cuando está todo
¡Amárrate!
Así, ay, ya voy, ya cásate.
Video of me getting married coming soon. I'm just kidding. It's kind of rainy. It was sunny in the morning, huh?
No, well, ayer miré que it was gonna rain, pero luego in the morning I'm like, oh, it's sunny.
Yeah.
So you guys, I'm planning on going back to dark hair. I don't know if I said it before. Have I? No, I haven't. I just told you. I want to dye my hair black again. So comment down below if I should, or should I just go and get it retouched.
No, I want to go to Vegas.
To Vegas?
Yeah.
We should plan a trip, huh? Ora. We should plan a trip. But I wanna go to Hawaii.
But just like a ticket, like what's it called? A plane ticket? It was like $800.
Really?
Yeah. For 2 people. For like my ID, and I don't know if they're gonna be expired.
Why are they honking?
Who was that? What?
Was that for you?
No, what am I doing wrong? I'm just like stopped. Oh, that car in the back, see? How it's just in the middle?
Maybe pensó que le iba a pegar or something.
Or no, I don't think it's the car behind me honking. What the heck?
What? Is that to you?
No.
Were you doing something wrong? Maybe your lights don't work or something? No, I don't think so.
No, lo marca aquí.
Do we even know? Maybe we know that person knows us. Do you know the car?
If you're honking down behind us, comment down below. That's so weird.
I know.
Wait, does the car look familiar?
I don't know. I don't live here anymore, so I don't know if it's for us.
I don't think it was for us. We were just like literally there, just there. Plus, I'm a professional driver.
Sure. What the?
They're still honking. Do I have something like it's something in the back? Like what? I'm insecure. What's happening?
No, they're not too. I don't think it's for us.
And it wasn't the car behind us. It was a car behind the car behind us.
They keep honking. What the heck?
Okay, I'm gonna drive faster to lose this person.
No, don't. Just go. Just drive good. Don't do that. I don't want to die.
Out?
I don't want to die.
Okay, I've never gotten a ticket.
Cuidado, cuidado. What the heck?
What's wrong with people today?
I know.
Oh my gosh! Someone literally just like crossed in the middle of the road, like just.
I know, like you.
Como si fuera su casa.
You were so close to that person, you almost like ran her over.
Oh,
That was
I think
weird.
it was that car honking, the one behind me now, because the other one se fue.
You think?
Maybe,
Este fue el que estaba arriba de la banqueta, ¿no?
Sí, but they were still honking when they were like, did they flip each other off and they just got mad?
Probably, porque a lo mejor se le pensó que le iba a pegar or something. Entonces estaba arriba de la banqueta. Maybe le iba a pegar y se subió a la banqueta. I don't know.
That's weird. Interesting.
So guys, now we're going to Hermana's we're doing a challenge for her channel. And yeah, we're supposed to like I'm supposed to find blue items for her, like food items, and she's supposed to find yellow items for me. So we didn't find a lot at the store we went to, but now we're going to Hermana's. Hopefully we find some good items over there. How do you feel about doing this challenge?
Good, I'm excited because you have to eat everything I got for you.
And she's freaking gonna make me.
You cannot say what.
Why?
You cannot say what you're gonna eat. Oh shit.
Why not?
I mean, because they don't know yet, do they? What video is gonna be up first?
I don't know.
This one? Mine first.
Okay. Hopefully.
I'll eat that car.
What? Oh, the blue car.
Just kidding. I'll just buy it. Or you can buy it for me. Buy it for me. Because it's blue.
But you have to eat it.
No. No, it's so cute.
What the? Don't say bad words in my channel. Why are they honking?
I feel like I have like the
I don't think it's
open
for
or
you.
something.
I don't think it's for you. You think?
I don't know. I'm starting to worry.
What the? They're laughing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't think it's for you. I think.
But it's the car behind. I'm getting so red.
It's not for you. Just keep driving.
I'm so embarrassed.
And watch in front of you because we're gonna crash.
Why are they doing that? There's so many people. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
You're actually getting red.
Because I feel like it's for me, but I don't know why. Like no one honks at me ever. Maybe I don't know. Maybe. Stop, you're making me nervous.
Okay, so we just got home. And I have something to tell you, Erica.
What?
Please forgive me.
What?
Don't kill me, please.
Tell me. I'm getting worried.
Erica, I hope you don't kill me for this.
Tell me.
You're gonna see in a little bit.
Don't record me. Just tell me.
Okay, come on, let's go. I'm gonna show you something. Please, please, Erica, don't kill me for this.
Okay, let's go.
So you know how there was people like honking at you?
Yeah.
And you were getting really mad and you didn't know if they were honking at you or not?
Mm-hmm. What? What about it?
Come over here.
What the heck? Rose, that's embarrassing. When did you do this?
I'm sorry. When you were doing your makeup.
When? You didn't leave?
I did. For a little bit. You didn't notice.
Oh my gosh. I just went all around town with this.
Finally, a prank works for me. Because I've been having like really...
What the heck, Rosa?
Ya pasó, ya pasó.
That's embarrassing.
You're gonna get mad now.
Yeah. I thought I was doing something wrong.
I know you.
I got so red. You saw how red I got when like people were just honking and they were laughing, and I was like, why are they laughing? And this is why they were laughing. Yep, because I had a sign, and what if a cop would have seen that?
I don't think there's nothing
a cop
wrong.
would have honked.
Yes, I think so.
What the heck? That was a good one. Okay, you did really good with that one, I have to say.
Okay.
Why are you so creative?
I don't know. I was born that way. Throw it away.
No, you can have it.
I can't. Just throw it away. And you know how, like, Erica, wait, ven. You know how we went to the store and I told you that I needed to buy something for my brother, a poster?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's why, because I used his and he doesn't know, so he's gonna get so mad at me when he like knows that
I'm gonna tell him.
Wait,
brother, just so you know, Rosa used your poster.
But I just got him a new one.
No.
That's why I got him a new one.
But you got it without permission.
Well,
He's gonna get mad at you.
it was like a last minute prank, so excuse my hair, it's like all over my face. I have lip gloss, so excuse my... And I have like, I don't have any hands right now to use, so I have to... Wait, one moment. This was a good prank, you guys. I'm so happy it worked. Finally! Oh my god. I need to...
Who knew about it?
Huh?
Who knew about it?
My mom knew about it.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, and my dad too.
Nuh-uh.
Yes. I told them not to tell you. They're like, don't worry, we got you. Erika, I need help. Oh, you have everything else?
Yeah.
So this is a poster, you guys. The other one, the one that I had I cut it like in half because it was way too big. So I'm sorry, Erika. Do you forgive me?
That was a good prank.
That was,
Yeah.
the first
I'm
time.
glad I didn't know. Otherwise, I would have been so embarrassed the whole time.
I know you were red the whole time when they
Well,
were
yeah,
like,
but like I didn't know why. But